freezing climates, some Tesla owners have reported the power folding mirrors becoming frozen, the frameless windows getting frozen stuck, and the flush mount handles becoming stuck. We're going to look at the Tesla Model 3 here. Now, these features are not unique to Tesla alone, so other manufacturers do have these features, such as power folding mirrors and frameless windows. To solve the problem of the mirrors becoming stuck in freezing weather, we're going to turn off the auto fold feature here. So we just touch mirrors. Mirrors auto fold in parked. We'll turn that off. So the mirrors will remain in their extended position all the time. If your handles on your Tesla ever get froze up, it's most likely due to one of two things: either freezing rain or the visit to your local car wash. Water has a tendency to get trapped in between the handle and the pocket that it recesses into. So the best thing to do after you get your car washed is to take a towel and try and get as much of the water as possible out of the recesses where the door handle goes. As a preventative measure to keep the ice from sticking to the handle, what you can do is to use a wax. You could wax the surface of the handle and inside of the pocket itself that the handle recesses into. The logic behind this is if you ever see a waxed car, you notice the water beating up on it. It doesn't want to really stick to the finish of the vehicle too well. So by waxing this here, the logic is that it will reduce the chances of the water collecting in there and sticking to the surfaces. For the frameless windows that may stick, becoming frozen with ice, to prevent this from happening, the rubber seals and gaskets here, what we're going to do is apply a silicone lubricant to the rubber gasket. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a rag here to prevent any of the spray from going into the interior of the vehicle. And we're just going to spray like a light coat on it. Be careful to clean off any residue that gets where you don't want it. And this will it keeps the rubber seals pliable, and also the oil in the seal prevents the ice from sticking to it.